Kids got slime everywhere? Don't panic. Using the wrong method will only make it worse, and could ruin your furniture for good. Let me show you exactly how the professionals handle slime disasters, so you can save your carpet, your couch, and your sanity. Most people grab hot water and start scrubbing as hard as they can. But that's actually the worst thing you can do. Hot water melts slime even deeper into the fibers, and scrubbing just spreads the mess around. Trust me, been there, regretted that. Here's the pro technique that works every time. First, grab some ice cubes and pile them right on top of the slime. Wait a minute or two until the slime hardens up. Now, gently scrape off as much as you can with a spoon. Don't use anything sharp. Once you've got the big chunks up, mix a little cold water with white vinegar. Dip a clean cloth in the solution and gently blot the area. Never rub. The vinegar helps break down the sticky stuff without damaging your carpet or fabric. Keep blotting with a dry towel until the slime is gone. Look at that. No stains, no damage, and the slime is history. This method works on carpet, upholstery, and even your kids' clothes. It's my go-to trick for every slime emergency. But hey, if the mess is just too much or you're short on time, don't stress. The pros at Bear Brothers Cleaning have the right tools and techniques to rescue your furniture and carpets, no matter how wild the mess. Too busy to tackle cleaning yourself? Give Bear Brothers Cleaning a call at 256-633-6332 or book online at bearbroscleaning.com. Let's turn your disaster into delight and give you back a home you love. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 www.bearbroscleaning.com